quiet, mischievous snicker.
Huh?
I hope you weren't too scared. Oh my gosh, you will not believe what just happened! I have to tell you everything!
Hello there. I'm home. How was your day?
Did you really think I wouldn't notice you sneaking extra strawberries? Oh, you caught me. But meow. It's not fair. I always have to clean up everyone's mess.
I'm very disappointed with what happened today.
Maybe they'll hire me. Oh, these dishes never end. I hate washing dishes.
Wow, this spaghetti is amazing!
I'm so glad you like it. Here, this is for you, for trying it.